Hey guys, Trevor here with eCommerce Paradise. Welcome to today's episode. I'm going to discuss a question that I just got on my YouTube channel. And if it's your first time viewing the channel or listening to the podcast, definitely subscribe and get my free niches list for high-ticket dropshipping at ecommerceparadise.com/niches. So the question was, if a customer or consumer can purchase a high-ticket item on Amazon, why would they buy from a new online startup? It's a valid question because everybody thinks Amazon is the best at e-commerce, which for sure, they definitely are really good at e-commerce. They know what they're doing. And so you have to compete with Amazon sometimes with high-ticket items. And the way you compete is by offering more value and also being available for direct communication with the customer. So Amazon oftentimes offers a lot of value because people trust Amazon. Amazon's been around for a long time. They have a great easygoing return policy, and they know they can kind of take advantage of Amazon sometimes. So Amazon, knowing that, will oftentimes try to undercut people and lower their prices even more. But the one thing Amazon won't ever do and cannot do is they just won't ever be able to take a phone call from the customer before the sale. You can't call Amazon. Try to find a number where you can actually call Amazon, ask them about a product, and in that process, actually get someone on the phone who knows anything that's about that specific product. Okay, it's just not going to happen. That's not how Amazon works. Amazon works by persuading the customer to buy it right there on the point on the website. And as a small business, people love small businesses because they know that small businesses are people that know more about the product they're selling. They're specialists, okay? So you're going to be able to be a specialist in your niche and sell profitable products, and you're going to have to learn about them, sure, but maybe choose a niche that you have a prior skill set in and that you are passionate and love. And so that you really like talking to the target market, solving their problems, and you're going to talk to the suppliers and learn more about the products that you sell and stuff like that. So there's lots of good things you can do to compete with Amazon, okay? A couple of them is you can think about free gifts you can offer to the customer, okay? Amazon oftentimes won't offer free gifts, they'll upsell add-ons, but you can actually offer a free gift even though it's really cheap. You can offer free shipping. Maybe Amazon doesn't have free shipping. You can offer a free consultation before the purchase. You can offer free calls after the purchase. You can pitch that as a service that you provide to the customer. You can offer a free buying guide. Oftentimes Amazon won't have buying guides for particular product categories. Okay, a buying guide is really key on a website. It makes you the authority in your niche and builds trust in you. You can offer free lifetime technical support. You can offer free warranty support, things that Amazon just won't deal with. Okay, if you have an issue with your product, you bought it from Amazon, you got to go directly to the brand and manufacturer to get any help. Okay, Amazon's not going to help you with that, unfortunately. Sorry. Many things you can do like that, Amazon's never going to offer. So yes, as a small business, you do have ways you can beat Amazon with high-ticket products specifically, because a lot of high-ticket products don't have as much search volume or sales volume, so Amazon won't worry about trying to go all in on them, right? So even though it's a marketplace, and yes, you'll find them available there, you can oftentimes sell them outside of it and use a comparison shopping engine like Google Shopping Ads or Google Shopping to market your products and to make it available to people who are searching around for the best value, not just the best price, but the best value for their money. In other words, they're going to get more offers, more better value. So you can think about all the value you can offer that customer and provide that, and you'll be able to beat Amazon. So I hope this video was helpful and maybe assisting you and changing your mind a little bit, realizing that you can do e-commerce. It is possible to do it without selling through Amazon. You can do it on Shopify using Google Shopping Ads and have your own brand built, keep your own customer list and market to that customer list over and over and over again. Your customer list is your asset. And talking to your customers and building brand recognition with them over the phone or on email, that's an asset too, is your brand. Okay, and these stores are assets. You know, you can sell them for multiple 6 figures and 7 figures if you want to someday, or you can keep it for cash flow. It's like a cash flowing business that's online. You can take with you anywhere. So that's the amazing thing about high-ticket dropshipping. And yes, you can compete with Amazon. It's pretty amazing. So if you want more information about high-ticket dropshipping, you want to learn how to get started, how to do it the right way, take my free mini course. It's a 3-day mini course, 3 videos, and it's all about my high-ticket dropshipping secrets. In fact, I call it that, high-ticket dropshipping secrets. So you can go to ecommerceparadise.com/secrets, get that free mini course today. We'll talk about location independence, mindset, and I'm talking about my blueprint that I figured out that works for high-ticket dropshipping. So get in there today, guys, and I'll see you in the next episode. Take care.